Hey, 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 everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today is just an absolutely fantastic, awesome, absolutely awesome day. So, hey, you guys, my name is Casey Eberhart. If you and I have not met before, it is very nice to meet you. I'm super thrilled and excited to have you kind of in this space. And if there's anything I can do to help you build whatever business you're building, I'm happy to help. So I just wanted to quickly introduce myself. My name is, again, Casey, and I run a business coaching program out here in Los Angeles, although we have people from all over the world inside of it. So sometimes I am asked about networking. It's kind of a thing I teach, and I seem to get asked all over the place to teach and train networking and skill building in terms of creating more profitable, intentional, on-purpose networking that ultimately leads to more profit and less time wasted. And so that's what we are. That's what we're going to chat about today for the next few minutes. So, hey, Bill, welcome. Appreciate you. Hey, let me pop you up here. What's going on, Bill? How are you? What the heck is new and exciting? Super excited to have you here, Bill. I appreciate you being here. So here, let me fight the three. Oh my gosh, Carol Pilkington in the house. Let's dial up Carol Pilkington. Hey, Carol, hope all is well. I haven't talked to you forever. Super thrilled to have you here. Ooh, that's a really cool profile picture. I love that peacock feather. That's absolutely awesome. So super happy to have you here as well, Carol. I'm working with Be Live, which is a fantastic the three-word phrase that will save you time. So guys, super shout out to Carol and Bill. And hey, I want to just appreciate you for those of you that are leaving a comment below, whether you're watching it live or you're watching it on the replay. I want to just give you a huge shout out, and super huge love goes to those of you that find value and enough in this to share it with your networks. I appreciate that. So, okay, guys. So look, here's the deal. The three-word phrase, I better put Bill's thing up there. Let's do this. Great. Bill says, great to hear from you this morning. Always great content. Thanks, buddy. Bill, I appreciate that. We got Stephanie Massman in the house all the way up from Ventura in Los Angeles. Stephanie, welcome. Sounds like maybe I'll get to see you this weekend, which would be kind of cool. So, Bill, thanks a lot for commenting. I appreciate that. So and now I have to keep going, and I've got to figure out how to do this. So let's see, the three-word phrase that will save you heaps of time. Now, maybe I can do that. Hey, Molly, how are you? What's going on? Hope you are doing fantastic and well as I'm trying to learn how to cut and paste this. There we go. Hey, Molly, let's throw you up on the screen as well. Appreciate you being here, Molly. Super shout out. So we'll go up here. We'll go here. We'll give it one of these. Let's see if that. Oh, I've just all messed that up, haven't I? Let's hide that. Let's do this, guys. Sorry, I know this is taking a little time, but you guys get to see this live in the flesh. The three words that will save you time at working. Hey, Michael, what is happening, boss? Appreciate you being here as well. Hello from Dallas as well. I'm not in Dallas. I will be in Dallas next week, though, or the 31st, whatever day that is, like next Wednesday or something. So appreciate you, Michael, for being on here as well. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Oh, bam. Okay. So the three words. Hey, Tim Gillette, what's up? What is happening? Good to see you, Tim. Yes, Carol, I appreciate that. Carol says, hey, we're learning as you are learning. How fun. You would think I'd have this down by now because I use Be Live all the time. But you know, it is what it is. So let's see. Now if I go here, there we go. Okay, now I'm getting the hang of it. Awesome. Tim with Dallas check-in. Okay, guys, so here's the deal. Super simple. This is something that you can do at every networking event, and I promise you, if you master this, it will get you out of a lot of conversations that go sideways. So when we're at a networking event, we're meeting people and we're shaking hands, we're hanging out by the water fountain, or we're hanging out at the food table, or we're at one of those 8 round top tables, chatting and getting to know people. Here's what's happening. Sometimes we get into conversations that we know just in our gut, we know we need to move through, right? We need to get out of. And I did a video last night on one way that you can do that and get out of that with seamlessly endless annoyance. And that is, I did a video on this yesterday, but it's about coding your business cards and taking a Sharpie with you. And if you want me to show you that video, you want me to drop that video in, I put it up on YouTube. It's a Facebook Live from yesterday. If you want me to put that link in there, I will. I'll put that in there. So Bill, with the punchline, I gotta pee. This is the 3-word phrase that will get us out of almost every bad networking conversation. So you can do one thing, which is what I taught last night. You can go take a Sharpie and code your business cards. If you want to watch that again, just drop in here, share the video with me or something like that, and I'll put it in the comment section. But the other thing is, if you get really good at not sounding like a jerk, but just being able to say, hey, I gotta pee. You know where the bathroom is? It literally will get you out of almost every single conversation. Now, you can get kind of funny with it. You can be creative with it, but it works every single time. Think about it. You're chatting with somebody. You've already got out of them the information that you need or that you want. You have kind of finished that piece of the conversation. Well, what you want to be able to do now is not just say, hey, look, we're done, we're through. You might want to say to them, you want to value them, right? You want to make them feel important, but at the same time, you've got to move on. You've got to meet new people. You've got to meet other folks, and we'll talk about those in later videos. But the 3-word phrase that will get you out of tons and tons of stuff is, I gotta pee. Hey, Nikki, super, it's so awesome to meet you, but do you by chance know where the bathroom is? I mean, I just had a massive amount of water before I got here, and I have to pee so bad, right? And then what she's going to say, hi, love it, just like she did up on the screen there. No, she didn't say it on the screen. Nikki's a super good friend of mine. If you guys don't know Nikki Bradshaw, you got to definitely connect up with her. Thanks, Michael, for saying share the video. I'll share it below here as well. Big comment I love is Bill saying you're awesome. I mean, come on, whenever somebody tells you you're awesome, you got to throw that up there. So it's just important, guys, that you want to master the things that help you be more efficient and effective while you're business networking. It gets you out of so many situations, a simple, I gotta pee. So just remember that next time you're out networking, next time you're out meeting bunches of people and you find yourself in just one of those conversations that you know at your core, we need to move through, all you need to do is simply say and master the phrase, hey, I gotta pee. Hey, I gotta pee. Hey, I gotta pee. Look, we all pee. People will crack a smile. Most of the time, they'll actually point you to the restroom. You could actually use that as a way to break into somebody else's conversation. Say, hey, I got to pee. Do you know where the bathroom is? It's a great, I don't know if it's a great conversation starter. That's probably a topic for an entirely different set of videos. So, hey, guys, I'm going to be teaching a class this weekend on networking. And if you want to check that out, it's $47 and it'll teach you how to be a way better networker. We're going to do tons of tips, tons of live events. So you can watch it live or live stream. It doesn't even matter if you can't be there at all because we send out the videos and the handouts afterwards. So if you want to check that out, you can private message me or drop down in the comment section. Send me the link to the event. And I'll send it to you. I'll send that link to you, but it's networkingriches.com. You can go check it out. And I'm going to be walking through I'm going to drop the mic on this one. It's going to be a small group and we're going to go through and we're going to make some efficient, profitable networkers out of our attendees, whether you're live or live stream. So until next time, guys, hey, you know what? I got to pee. I'll see you guys next time.